I was getting ready to put the house on the market. It was a 50-year-old house. I lived in my home for 44 years. My husband Don died 8 years ago, and it fell upon me alone to sell it. And it needed windows replaced, it needed painting and siding done on the outside of the house, and doors replaced. When I went to get my house ready to put on the market, I called Construction Specialties and they did it. I got more than I asked for when I sold the house, and I think they were largely responsible for that. They were excellent. They came back, they asked me if there's anything else that needed to be done. Had they fulfilled everything? They were wonderful. And they billed me exactly what they said it would be. I would definitely recommend Construction Specialties. I feel that Lawrence is really fortunate to have them.